Okay, so for part C, guys, I reckon this is for 5 marks. Like, this has to be one of the easiest, especially HL. This has to be one of the easiest 5 marks you're ever going to see. So it looks complicated. There's a farmer, there's a field. They've built this highway. This is the field. They've built this highway through the field, and they want to build a car park here. There's a lot of words. So they're going to build a car park. They asked the farmer to exchange the part of the field, DCE, so this triangle, and in return the farmer will get this triangle, DAF, or ADF, where F lies on the same line as DE as shown in the diagram. Fine. So just part C, this is the bit that I'm saying is pretty easy. It says find the area of this triangle. It's 5 marks, and it's just an area of a triangle in question. The only thing that's a bit confusing is to find angle CDE, but that's not even that hard. CDE is equal to, it's equal to 180 minus 100 minus 32, because obviously 180 in a triangle, they have to add up to 180, so this plus this plus this, the answer is, I want to say 48 degrees. So this angle here is 48. Now if this is 48, by the way, for the next question, this is 48 because these are opposite angles. Anyway, so now I have that angle. I can find the area. The area of a triangle is a half this times sine of this. A half 210 times 113 times sine of 48 degrees. That's our half AB sine C. That is in the formula booklet. Let's do this on the calculator. I'll just do 0.5 for half times 210 times 113 times sine 40 brackets, don't forget the brackets, 48. Calculators in degrees. Press enter. 8,817. 8,817.41. You can write it to 3 significant figures if you want. 8,820 to 3 significant figures. And this is, guys, meters squared because it's area. Okay, now, would you not agree that that's a pretty easy 5 marks? Okay, question D. It says, estimate DF, this length here. You may assume the highway width is 0. Right, so this is 48. DA, this length, I've brought in, guys, the original triangle. This whole thing is 1,005 from here, 1,005 meters. This is 210. So DA has to be 1,005 minus 210, which is, you think I could do that in my head, but I'm not going to even bother. 795. 795 meters. Let's put that in here. 795. Now, the area, remember, the farmer is trading, if you like, this area for this. So the whoever is building this road, the council or whoever it is, they take this part of the field and they give him this part of the field, but the area has to stay the same. So the area has to be this. So the area, which is a half DF, that's this line. So a half DF times, let me just write the F again, a half DF times 795 times sine of 48 degrees, so that's a half AB sine C, is equal to, now I know this area is equal to this, I'm going to use the unrounded version, 8817.41. Solve this equation. DF is equal to, you could use NSolve if you want, but it's multiply by 2, so it's 2 times 8817.41, multiply by 2 because of the half here, divide by 795 sine 48 degrees, gives me 2 times 8817.41 divided by 795 times sine of 48 degrees, 29.849. So that's 29.849, approximately equal to 29.8 meters. Does that seem kind of right? Well, it's not drawn to scale. It doesn't look totally unreasonable. This is a pretty long. This is a very long length, so it makes sense that this would be short in order to have the same area as this. So okay, it's fine. I'm assuming I've got the answer right. As if I don't, I'll have to just do a video again. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's question 2 done. And question 1 for HL, I would argue that that was a nice question.